I'm Jeff Phillips, president of Rosar Supermarkets.
I'm Peggy Peterson with Comcast Spotlight.
Mike Jensen, Jensen Distribution Services.
We're George and Teresa Gee of the Gee Automotive Company.
I'm Jer McGregor from The Inlander.
I'm Matt Jamie with North by Northwest Productions.
I'm Chief Allen, Chairman of the Coeur d'Alene Tribe.
Hi, Russ Wheat with BHW1.
We believe with Coaches vs. Cancer, we will make a difference.
Coaches vs. Cancer helps with cancer research and provides for all of the local programs that support cancer victims.
Cancer impacts all of our lives, and anything we can do to help support this research, we will do.
We believe, because of all those we've lost to cancer or have been affected by cancer.
We believe because of things like Camp Good Times.
And we believe in Coaches vs. Cancer because of the local support it lends to our community.
Cancer has touched just about everyone in this office, and we believe because without believing, there is no hope.
And we believe in Coaches vs. Cancer, and thank you for your fight against cancer as well.